guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've never done something like this before and I'm so excited. So I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup while I work out. Now I saw this video from Mikey, also known as Glam and Gore, and I thought that was such a good idea, and Simply Nailogical did it, but she did it with applying nail polish. I'm gonna stick with the makeup. Yeah, I have my setup right here. So this is going to be a voiceover video because I am going to be using the mirror and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So let's talk about what workout I'm going to be doing. So first, I like to stretch before I work out. So because I like to do a ballet class on the mirror, so I stretch before I do the ballet class, and then I'm going to go right into the ballet class. So let's get into the video. I'm going to prime the face. While I prime the face, I'm going to do some toe stretching. So I'm just going to do a slight bend of the knees and start stretching. So now I'm going to go into foundation. I'm not going to go really into detail on what products I'm using. I'm just going to do the same. Okay, so now I'm going to go into, I guess this is like a spider lunge. I forget what it's called. But I'm going to apply my color corrector. Then I'm going to bring out the right leg to the outside and kind of sit on that leg to deepen the stretch. Okay, now I'm going to repeat everything on the other side. Now I thought this would be the perfect time to start blending in all of the color corrector that we placed. And I'm still going in that spider lunge. And now I'm going to go into my bronzer. Like I said before, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to go and do that lunge and then go off to the side and sit in that. Here I'm just placing my contour in the cheekbone areas. This section of the workout is perfect for doing makeup, so I'm going to go into the butterfly stretch and I'm going to use a lighter concealer shade to do some highlighting. And while I'm still in the butterfly stretch, I'm going to blend in all of the concealer that we just placed. Then I'm going to put my legs out in front of me to touch my toes. While I do this stretch, I'm going to apply my cream blush. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush, I think it's called. I'm not sure. I think that's what I used. And then I'm going to set the face. For setting the face, I like to use like the cream products, but the powder version. So like powder contour, powder blush, and powder bronzer. While I set the face, I'm going to go into the, I think it's called the shin box stretch, and I'm just going to increase the stretch by turning in the opposite direction. So that was the right side. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the left side. Now I'm going to go into a straddle. I'm not the best at, or a middle split. I'm not the best at a middle split, but I'm now going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. So now is my favorite part of my stretching routine. I like, this is the lay down part. So I'm just going to prime the eyelids right now and do kind of little like ankle circles on both ankles. Okay, so I thought for the stretching, I can do all of my face makeup, and then when I do my ballet class, I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So I'm going to finish my stretching with out doing any makeup, and then I'm going to, when the ballet class comes, I'm going to finish up with the eye look. Here comes my favorite part of the workout, the ballet class. So I'm first going to start with my bronzer as my transition shade. While I do my shade
while I do my eyes, I'm going to start by doing some plies, and then I'm going to go in with my Super Shot Shadow on the lid and continue doing the plies. And then I'm going to quickly, when there is a transition, do my eyeliner. So I'm quickly going to do my mascara as well. I'm actually going up in releve while doing this, so it was a little bit tricky. You can see me kind of struggling a little bit, I almost toppled over. So while I was doing my face makeup, I actually did forget to do some highlight, so I'm going to just highlight the high points of the face while I'm doing the left side of the plies. I don't know what happened, I was really struggling to open my lipstick, so I'm going to apply my Revie Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick. I think also while I'm in the left side of releve as well. So my makeup look is done. I'm going to just continue doing the ballet class. So I didn't film an outro for this video. I completely forgot. So I actually really enjoyed doing this challenge. It definitely was a little bit hard going into the different transitions, especially for the ballet class. But I had lots of fun doing it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!